let this be a normal...
No way!
Cruising on down Main Street, you're relaxed and feeling good. Next thing that you know, you'll see it. I'm a magic school bus, rock the river of lava.
Man.
Carlos, according to my research, it looks to me as if your name's Carlos.
If you didn't spend so much time reading, you might actually read this thing.
Wait a minute! I'm cool, right?
Of course!
If the water's so cold, how come these funny-looking smokestacks are so... Wow! Tubular! I like being interrupted.
Do something.
Just a sec, just a sec.
He who hesitates is lost.
I'm nothing without me.
Yeah, and besides, DA, I never thought I'd say this, but you're just like move one play jam slip. Actually, move!
What a positively explosive proposition, Carlos. Let's shake a leg, if you get my drift.
Don't look at me.
Oh no! Holy jumping! It's got my bag! Holy jumping! Octopus!
Close, but no ink, Ralphie. It's a squid, not an octopus.
Octopus!
A squid has 10 tentacles. An octopus only has 8.
Then how come they don't call them octacles?
It's a squid, not an octopus. Squid. It's a squid, Ralphie.
Underwater?
On behalf of my flight crew, I want to welcome you aboard Magic School Bus Airways.
What a ride!
When we find the island, what should we name it?
Let's see. I now declare this island, which I alone have discovered, to be Island!
Forget it! That's a silly name for an island.
What would you call it? You can't even think of a name without looking.
Class, prepare to dive.
How does she do that? If you'd spent more time researching, you would have known... Wait! Oh no! Oh, I gotcha! Come on, you Weasley wimps! Push! This is the chance of a lifetime!
The end of a lifetime, you mean? Is it over yet?
It's just beginning, Arnold.
Anchors away, mateys!
If you don't mind, Miss Frizzle, I'd rather keep as much water between me and you as possible.
A lofty idea, Arnold. As a certified teaching lizard, you're more than capable of handling the mission.
Get me out of here!
Whoa! I'm afraid you can't have peace, Arnold.
I can't take it anymore.
No, Arnold. I'll help Miss Frizzle melt you. Come on, Arnold.
I knew I should have stayed home today.